Hi, Claire. Did you wear your boots outside today? Look at how fancy your boots are. Do you like your boots? What? What? Do you like your boots? There she is.
Over here.
Go over here. Ah! I heard you say you love your boots. Do you love them?
Yep.
Yep. Did you have fun in the snow? Did you make a ball? Did you?
Yep.
Yeah, and you threw it?
Yep.
Yep. Cool.
Yep.
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 Say woo woo.
Yep.